Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. The Wrangler delivers iconic style, future-focused technology, all-terrain capability, rugged power, and the ability to make your adventures truly your own. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, remote engine start, fog lamps, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Capable of going anywhere and always authentically you. Drive the Wrangler.